2024 Mazda CX-50. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.